Installation video of subfloors, My Concrete. Exclusive subfloor for low traffic residential use. My Concrete subfloor sheet must be installed on a level and plumb, metal or wood structure with spacings of 61 centimeters on center maximum. Use a support piece such as a track-type stripped profile crosswise to the beams and fastened with a flathead screw. This subfloor is installed transversely to the structure. Mark the guideline and carefully fasten the screws. In the corners, fix the screw 7 centimeters at least on the short side and 15 centimeters on the long side, removing the first screw 2 centimeters from the edge. Never fasten screws into corners. Make sure that each board has at least 5 fastenings on each beam axis, removing the first bolt 7 centimeters from the edge on the axis and leaving a 27 centimeter gap between them. Attach the sheets on their short sides with a minimum 3/4 inches or 19 millimeter flat washer common screw. For this, use a trowel-type drill of the same diameter to make a countersink to hide the head of the screw under the surface. First, clean the surface to remove any dust or debris, and then apply a thin geotextile membrane by adhering it to the sheets with Lenco Supreme acrylic adhesive or a similar product available in your country. Apply a thin coat using a putty knife. Spread the geotextile immediately, sticking it completely to the surface of the sheet without leaving folds or air pockets. When the membrane is completely dry, you can continue with the installation of the ceramic or porcelain tile using a cementitious or acrylic mortar, following the recommendations of the chosen manufacturer. See the complete installation guide at www.plycem.com.